Are you tired of being held back by fear and doubt? Are you stuck in a rut watching others achieve their dreams while you're stuck on the sidelines? It's time to unleash your inner warrior and build the mental toughness that will take you to the top. In this video, we're gonna break down the walls of self-doubt and unleash the beast within. We'll reveal the first 2 steps to help you develop the resilience you need to overcome any obstacle. We're talking about forging an unbreakable spirit, one challenge at a time. So strap in and get ready to embrace the grind. Let's get real for a moment. This ain't about becoming Superman overnight. It's about looking in the mirror, and I mean really looking and acknowledging not just your strengths but your weaknesses too. We all got them. The first step to conquering those weaknesses is owning them. Yeah, you heard that right. Own your weaknesses. Don't shy away from them. Don't pretend they don't exist. Write them down, tattoo them on your brain, whatever it takes. You gotta know your enemy before you can defeat it. But here's the thing, knowing your weaknesses ain't enough. You gotta leverage your strengths to overcome them. Think of it like this. Your strengths are your heavy artillery, your secret weapons in this battle. You gotta use them strategically. So, you struggle with public speaking? Fine. But you got a way with words when you write, right? Use that. Craft a killer message, practice it till it's second nature, then deliver it to a small group. Build up that confidence brick by brick. This is about understanding what makes you tick, what makes you stumble, and then using that knowledge to become an unstoppable force. Journal your thoughts, your fears, your victories. Seek feedback from those you trust, those who'll shoot you straight. And set goals. Not those vague, I want to be better goals. Specific, measurable goals. You want to crush that presentation at work? Set a goal to practice it 5 times in front of a mirror, then twice in front of a friend. Then go out there and make it happen. Remember, knowing yourself ain't about self-deprecation, it's about self-awareness. It's about understanding the battlefield of your life, your strengths, your weaknesses, your fears, your aspirations. And once you know the terrain, you can start strategizing your path to victory. So dig deep, understand your strengths, and use them like a weapon against your weaknesses. This is how you turn your perceived flaws into fuel for growth. This is how you start building a foundation of mental toughness that can withstand any storm. Don't be afraid to ask for help, to seek guidance. We're all in this together, all striving for greatness. And remember, every weakness you conquer, every challenge you overcome, brings you one step closer to unleashing your full potential. Alright, now that we've tackled those pesky weaknesses, it's time to build a mindset so strong, so resilient, nothing can break it. We're talking about mental fortitude, the kind that fuels champions, the kind that helps you rise above any challenge life throws your way. First things first, positive affirmations. Don't roll your eyes. This stuff works. You gotta rewire your brain, replace that negative self-talk with words of encouragement, of power. Look in the mirror every morning and say, I am strong, I am capable, I am unstoppable, believe it. But talking the talk ain't enough, right? You've gotta walk the walk. That means stepping out of that comfort zone, pushing past those self-imposed limits. Fear telling you to stay put? Tell fear to shove it. This is about embracing discomfort, about seeking out challenges that make you want to run in the opposite direction. Afraid of heights? Good. Go climb a rock wall, heart pounding in your chest, even better. You're alive, you're pushing boundaries, you're growing. And don't be afraid to fail. In fact, embrace it. Failure is just a detour on the road to success. It's a chance to learn, to adapt, to come back stronger. Every time you stumble, you gain valuable experience. You develop that grit that separates the contenders from the champions. Remember, mental fortitude is built through action, through facing your fears head-on. It's about conditioning your mind to stay focused, to stay driven, even when things get tough. And trust me, they will get tough. But that's okay. Embrace the grind. Embrace the struggle. Because it's in those moments when you're pushed to your limits that you discover your true strength. That's when you realize you're capable of more than you ever thought possible. So go out there and test your limits. Set audacious goals, and then chase them with relentless determination. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubt whisper in your ear. You are a force to be reckoned with. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Believe it, and then go make it happen. To recap, we've covered 2 crucial steps to building mental toughness. Knowing yourself and conquering your weaknesses by leveraging your strengths, and building mental fortitude through positive affirmations, stepping out of your comfort zone, and gaining experience. By applying these principles, you'll be well on your way to developing the resilience you need to overcome any obstacle. You've taken the first step towards building mental toughness, towards unleashing the warrior within. You've stared down your weaknesses and embraced the power of positive thinking. Now it's time to put in the work to face your fears head-on and to never back down from a challenge. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore how to fuel your growth and develop a winning mindset. Are you ready to unleash your inner warrior and take your life to the next level?